On the bright side, getting stuff from AliExpress means I can get it at retail. On the other hand, the boxes get absolutely obliterated. I thought the monster buckle was bad, but there's a hole in the back of this one. Hello and welcome back to another DX Geats review. Today we're taking a look at the Beat raised buckle. And getting into the review, let's start off by taking a look at the ID core it comes with. The Nago core. Fun character. Kinda wish she got a full buckle like Tycoon and Geats, but actually Buffa got one now too. Guys, give Nago and Punkjack full buckles, come on. Anyway, this is a translucent, slightly purple colored black with a really nice metal flake sticker on it. It looks solid black on camera, and honestly it does in person too, but I assure you it is in fact translucent. Now getting into the actual buckle itself. The plastic looks completely fine. I mean, a couple of the nubs are a little bit ugly, but the actual injection on the metallics look completely fine. The memorial has all this painted, but I don't think it's necessary. It looks even better on camera, but this is a nice blue and a nice sort of magenta color. Oh yeah, here's your off switch. You guys can put a little switch here somewhere, whatever. With that removed, this buckle actually has electronics in it. You can kind of see the speaker in there a little bit. Hit the keys. This one is a little bit more touchy than the others. And you get different sounds, and it doesn't matter which of these you hit, but you can actually hit all of them. This is honestly pretty fun on its own. I was debating whether or not to actually use the Nago core for the demonstrations, but I'm going to use Punkjack's, which comes with the monster buckle. Just because I like it more. And also it makes a bit more sense for him to use Beat. Still weird they never actually got him to use it once in the show. I mean, it took a special to give him this, but anyway. And she... I like Beat's Henshin. It's a good sound. Only thing I'll say is the speaker in the buckle is nowhere near as loud as the driver, and the Henshin sound on the driver kind of drowns out the music playing in the buckle. Anyway. Oh yeah, much like the monster buckle, the actual mechanics inside the buckle itself don't quite hit at the same time as the driver, so you have to... Also, interestingly, both devices play the record scratch. If you hit this, it plays it, but also if you It double layers it. It's weird. Anyway, I'm just going to streamline the combos a little bit by just recording this in real time. Forgot about the air horns. Anyway. And now as for the only complaint I have with the beat buckle, which is that monster is actually a lower priority buckle. So if you... If you use beat with monster, it always puts beat first. Considering they used the lower half of monster for the Plosion Rage suit, I don't know if they'll be able to actually use it properly in the show. Not that it really matters, I guess they could just use it this way too. Anyway. Kind of a generic sound, anyway, to be honest. So, to wrap this review up, beat buckle's fine. Don't have any complaints. The plastic colors are actually pretty good. The gold paint is maybe a little yellow. It's more of a metallic yellow than a gold, but it looks fine. The keys are all painted, which means that the white is actually kind of a ivory pearlescent white, which is nice. I like the fact that it actually has electronics, though I do wish they were a little bit louder, because like I said, they get pretty drowned out by the actual driver. And Nago's ID core looks really nice. I've gotten a handful of buckles now, and none of them have disappointed me, but if you're looking for one in particular that's really fun, but if you're looking for one in particular that has something over the others, this one has electronics, so if you can find it for a decent price, pick one up. And that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to let me know what you think down in the comments below. Subscribe and hit the bell to be alerted for future reviews. Come chill in the Discord. Follow me on Twitter, if that's even still around. And consider supporting me on Patreon so I can keep bringing you videos like this. And, as always, until next time, happy building.